Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm going to introduce our new products. This is countertop style in the trap boilers, and let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the unit's entire length is about like 36 inches wide. And the depth include a small connection for the paps is almost about like 28.5 inches deep. Also, the overall height is almost about like 15 inches tall. So as we can see, the units they come in with the about like 1, 2, 3, the burner adjusters, and on top the cooking areas. Let me give the measurements of it. It will be 19, about like it's about like 20 inches deep, and as usual 3 feet 36 inches wide. We can see they do have a small hose in the middle right here, and you can clean all the wet dust trees and to this one, and all the dirts. They have a waste trees at the bottoms, and you can clean it. And for each of the burner side, they have a small pillow. You can just monitor the fires for the inside. And when we look in the side of the units, we come in with the ISA sanitation stickers on it, manufacturer information, and BTU everything on it listed. And on back here, they have a small connection pad for the glass. And also they do have a converter regulator case right here. And they do having small this jet adjusters right here, converter keys. This one can help you to using either the liquid propanes or the natural gas. And also when we open this one, we can see they have a U-shaped burners at the bottoms right here. So this will be all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.